Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create crawling text in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have edited my video to my CapCut project. And before we add text, I recommend you to add black background or any background to your video. And then you're going to create this kind of border. You can create it with the mask, so you can add mask to the background and then you're going to rotate the mask and you can drag the mask down like this, and we're going to add text to this area. Okay, I'm going to go to the text and select default text, and for the text I'm just going to paste it because I have already copied the text. Okay, and I'm going to make it smaller. Okay, and for the first position, I'm going to position it like this, and we're going to add keyframe. Okay, I'm going to scroll down, and we're going to add keyframe to the text. Okay, and then for the last position, okay, I'm going to move it here. Oops. Okay, like this until it's out of the frame. Okay, and this is for the result. Oops. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create the scrolling text in CapCut PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.